Penny bags.
Hey, you know, gang shit, little booth in this bitch, blowing out that gas, that loud packing the motherfucking booth. Hey, you know, HCM saying me in this bitch, we out to get this motherfucking money. Hey, Sony 38, 40 on my hip, shotty with the grip, I ain't never slip, I ain't slip.
Hello ladies, this is my 2K17 bike check. Start from the top to this end, so down to right. We got the AK grips, really cushiony. Got one Odyssey par end in this side, one on this side, none in this side, so it's easier for toboggans and stuff like that. Got the Colt stock black bars, holding up well. I like them. Pretty short for my age and stuff, you know. Colt top load stem, pretty rusty, but it does the job. Then I got the Colt Simpsons frame stickered out. It's pretty G. Then in the front, I got the Van Colt tire, spray painted orange, as well to go with my purple SE rim, laced with some, you know, some fucking. Then we got a G Sport hub guard, Colt Doomsday peg, and the Colt V2 V3 forks. Over here we got Odyssey twisted PCs in white, $3 full factory jam. Then got Fit, Sprocket, Colt cranks. Then in the back we got this Shadow Valor tire. I had this fucker in the front, but these tires already come pre-wore out, so that's not really good when you buy them. Then you got the Dice valve cap. Had that in the front too, didn't mention it, but you know, spray painted with the blue SC rim. Holds up really good. I really like the rims. Colt Doomsday peg once again, KMC chain, and a G Sport hub guard. Right here we got the Daxi, the Poverty seat post, one of my favorite seat posts, definitely. And yeah, it's my bike.